Okay, today I received something very special. It appears to be an old Japanese Kodokan Judo manual. Judo Kodokan. I love this little image of a Honkes Katame, and I'm doing my first ever unboxing video, much to my shame. So I'm just going to take this off. I've got this wonderful felt cover. And is this the book itself? Looks like this could be the book itself. Judo. Okay, I'm going to open this up. Oh, there it comes. Alright, let's see what we've got. There it is again, Judo Kodokan. Oh, it's still not the book. So we've got a second layer. And here we go. Here's the actual book itself. And it's really rare. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen a judo book to just have a floral design on the cover. Really minimalist. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to open the first page. My hands are clean. Oh wow, I've got some washi here, some traditional Japanese paper, and I cannot read that yet. And that's part of the point of this wonderful gift. And this is a gift that I've received from my sensei, Ivan Zavachanos Shihan. So I'm hoping to be able to translate this judo text, which is beautifully preserved. Oh wow, we've got an inscription here. Matsumoto Takeuchi. Takeuchi is one of the judo greats. Nishimori. Okay, well, unboxing complete, but the journey is just beginning with this wonderful book. Mata ne!